If you have the ActiveInspire Studio, you can use this program to create your own videos and tutorials to help your students and instruct them on something you might want to show them how to use that's on your computer. So there's a couple different ways that you can do this. I'm just going to show you the way that I use most often. And here I'm going to select the tools. And from there are more tools right here. And I'm actually using this tool right now to do this screen recording. So here we have the screen recorder, and you can select full screen or you can select an area shot. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on full screen for this. Okay, what will appear is this little button. Usually you will press the button and that will start your recording. Since I'm recording this video using this program, it's already flashing, so you can see that on my screen right now that I'm using this button. Alright, so I'm going to go to an area that I want to actually record, and here's a website that I've used with my art students, and it's an interactive site that teaches you about this portrait of George Washington. So I might want to show them how to actually access the program, show them where to go. So I might point out the website, or I would have a link for it for them, and then just go ahead and demonstrate real quickly what the program looks like and how they're going to go through and read clues. We might do the first one together, and then have them work on this. So anyway, this might Okay, first step for starting your portrait, your alter ego portrait using Adobe Photoshop, is to open Adobe Photoshop program. So you're going to be clicking on the Microsoft ball, go to All Programs, look for Adobe Master Collection, then select CS4 64-bit Adobe Photoshop, double click. Okay, once you're in the program, your next step is to open a photograph so that you can start to edit. So there's a couple different ways you can do this. You can go to File and Open, and if you know where your folder is, you can just go ahead and select that folder and then find your pictures. I've saved mine in Pictures, and I also have a folder called Mariah's Alter Ego. It's always great to name your folders so that you're well organized and you can find things that you need pretty quickly. Now what I did was to establish this folder, and I collected a lot of images. Some are web-based, some are photos. Okay, so you can see that I've got a series of probably about 20 pictures located in that folder. Alright, so I'm just going to start with one of Mariah, and Mariah's my daughter, so I'm going to do a series of alter egos focusing on her. Alright, so this one has a lot of personality, so I'm going to start with this, and I need to select another image that is going to go with that one. This time I'm going to show you an alternate way to open up pictures, and that's through the Bridge. So I'm going to browse in Bridge. Bridge is kind of like a separate little program that works really well with Photoshop. And let's see. So I'm going to scroll down here to find my pictures. And I'm going to make this larger so I can see it better. Alright, so once I'm in my pictures, then I need to go ahead and find my correct folder. Okay, so M, looking for M. Alright, so Mariah's Alter Ego. And here I can see them a little bit better than I can while I'm just going to File and Open. So I'm going to pick a couple different pictures to go with that one. This one is a picture of barnacles. So I'm going to open that one up because I'm going to montage that one in there. Alrighty, so that opens it up. I'm going to use this as my background. So anyway, this is just a short demo on ways to open up photos in this program. All right, and then I'm also going to select these waves also. All right, so that's basically how you would open up photos in Photoshop. So showing two different ways, File and Open, or File, Browse and Bridge.